I eat water every day? Correct. I drink water every day. Yo como agua todos los días? Correct. Yo bebo agua todos los días. I sleep food at night? Correct. I eat food at night. Yo duermo comida en la noche? Correct. Yo como comida en la noche. I go school yesterday? Correct. I went to school yesterday. Yo voy a escuela ayer? Correct. Yo fui a la escuela ayer. I wake up in night morning? Correct. I wake up in the morning. Yo me despierto noche mañana? Correct. Yo me despierto en la mañana. I brush teeth with hand? Correct. I brush my teeth with a brush. Yo cepillo dientes con mano? Correct. Yo cepillo mis dientes con un cepillo. I drink food at lunch? Correct. I eat food at lunch. Yo bebo comida en el almuerzo? Correct. Yo como comida en el almuerzo. I run inside my house fast, slow? Correct. I walk inside my house. Yo corro en casa rápido, lento? Correct. Yo camino en casa. I close eyes eating? Correct. I close my eyes to sleep. Yo cierro ojos comiendo? Correct. Yo cierro los ojos para dormir. I go work tomorrow yesterday? Correct. I go to work every day.